Okay, so this is by no means going to be the most fantastic thing because I've only been practicing the song for 2 days. So this is so far what I know of Boats and Birds by Gregory and the Hawk. You'll be my star, I'll be your sky. You can hide underneath me and come out at night. When I turn jet black and you let out your light, live to let you shine. Live to let you shine. You can start a rocket away from me. Never look back if you find another galaxy far from here where there's more room to fly. Just leave me your stardust to remember you by. You'll be my boat, I'll be your sea. Depth of pure blue just to grow curiosity, ebbing and flowing, pushed by a breeze. Live to set you free. Live to set you free. You can set sail to the west if you want to. Beyond the horizon till I can't even see you. Far from here, where the beaches are wide. Just leave me your way to remember you by. Yeah, that's it. And I messed up a little bit, but forgive me.